Hey everybody, it's Mr. Thibodeau coming here with lesson 66. Here we're still on centimeters, we're still on the meter scale. And it's actually not too bad. Here we have a ruler, okay? Every one of these, okay, is, let's see, each millimeter is 1/10 of a centimeter. Here we show part of a centimeter ruler. Okay, so each one of these is centimeters, okay? I'm curious how accurate this is. Where's my actual... Yeah, okay, so it is a little small. The first one's pretty close, you see, but then by the time we get to the end, it's actually off. So the scale is a little wrong here. Anyway, these are each centimeters, okay? This 10, this length right here is 1 decimeter, okay? 1 decimeter, okay? So this whole ruler is 3 decimeters long, okay? All right. So we could talk about this as 10 millimeters, 20 millimeters, 30 millimeters, 40, 50, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters versus millimeters. Okay. Let's see. 15 centimeters can be written as 0.15 meters, or it can be written as 150 millimeters. Okay, lots of different ways to do that. Let's see. Should write 15 centimeters without a decimal point, 15 centimeters, changing the units from m to cm. Okay, just as like you change 15 cents instead of 0.15. Okay, pretty good example and understanding of it. Just as tenths of a centimeter can be written as decimal, so can tenths on a number line. Here we show a number line with the distance between the whole numbers divided into tenths, right? So 0 to 1, but this here is sixth of a 1, or 0.6, okay? Here's 1.2, 1.9, 2.3, okay? Name the fraction or mixed number. So as a fraction, this would be 6 over 10. This would be 1 and 2 tenths. This would be 1 and 9 tenths. This would be 2 and 3 tenths. Because that's how you read it, 1 and 9 tenths. Okay? 1.2 or 1 and 2 tenths. Okay? All right, here 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that'd be 3 and 7 tenths. Okay. For the practice, written practice, let's see. Let's do 1 through 11 all. Okay. All right, lesson practice. Use a centimeter ruler to, so try this on your own first, of course, but find a centimeter ruler to find the following measurements. Record each measurement twice. Once as a number of millimeters and once as a number of centimeters. Okay. So, length of your math book. If you don't have a math book around, you can use the history book. Just write it down. But let's see. So I have my paper here, and start at 0. Okay, for the length of a piece of paper, and the piece of paper goes to 28. So it's 0 is at this edge here, and it goes all the way to 28 basically. So 28 centimeters, and then it would be 280 millimeters. Okay. All right. Width of your paper. So start here because we're just looking at one piece of paper, so we're ignoring that part, and going to here. So that one is right in the middle. So that'd be 21.5 millimeter, or 21.5 centimeters. 21.5 centimeters, or 215 millimeters. Okay, decimal here, no decimal there. Length of this 1-inch segment. Well, is it actually an inch? It's a little smaller than an inch. Anyway, here we're going to call that 2.5. I think that's what it's supposed to be, but this one's a little small. 2.5 centimeters or 25 millimeters length of this paper clip. 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters. Diameter of a dime. We'll say 5, 6, 7. So I'd say 1.7 centimeters and 17 millimeters. Write a decimal number to name each point marked by the arrow. So that is 0.1, 0.9, looks like 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, so 2.2, 1.5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 8.8, so 2.8, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3.4. Okay. Write a fraction or mixed number for each point f through k. Fraction. Okay, so 1 over 10, 9 over 10, 1 and 5 over 10, 2 and 2 over 10, 2 and 8 over 10, and 3 and 4 over 10. Okay. Now, if you wanted to be absolutely correct, you do have to turn that into 1.5, this into 2 and 1/5, this one into 2 and 4/5, and this one into 3 and 2/5. Okay. Essentially, you turn them into their smallest form. Okay. But we'll learn about that more later. Okay. All right, guys. That's your work. Have a good one.